This recipe is very effective when it comes to hair growth. The good thing is it is very easy to prepare. The end result of today's recipe is going to blow your mind. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment using only one natural ingredient. When I did my big chop and chemicals damaged my hair, natural ingredients like these have helped me grow my hair much thicker and fuller. I lost all my edges, but thanks to natural ingredients and other hair growth recipes like the one I'm going to show you today, now my hair is flourishing. So if you really want to learn how to grow your hair, that is all we do on this channel. And make sure you're watching today's video to the end and you're not skipping any part of it because it is packed with a lot of information. Without further ado, let's do this. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. And if you are new here, I am super excited to have you join us today. And on this channel, we show a whole lot of love. And we do that by giving videos thumbs up. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will be notified. And when you do click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my uploads. All right, let's get into the recipe for today. So the main ingredient I'm going to use today is the bay leaves. Bay leaves have so many great benefits for natural hair growth. So if you've been sleeping on bay leaves, girl, this is the time for you to go find yourself some bay leaves. They have the dry bay leaves and these are the fresh ones. Either of them works, but I just love to use these ones. The good thing I like about bay leaves is they are easy to find and very affordable. You do not have to spend arm and legs getting some bay leaves. Just a few couple of money, you're going to get yourself some bay leaves, and they work so well when it comes to hair growth, hair thinning, or even hair loss. I'm going to tell you all about it, but let's start with the recipe. So I start by plugging my bay leaves. Make sure you plug everything from that stick because we need them all. We need all those yummy leaves. After getting them like so, you have to make sure to wash them. Guys, make sure you wash them very well, especially the fresh ones. They sometimes have a lot of dirt on it and you do not want that in your hair. Okay, so whenever you get your bay leaves like so, just make sure you are washing them. I actually wash them twice just to make sure I get all the dirt and bacteria and everything out of it before starting with my recipe. So this is the second wash that I'm going to do. I'm just going to give it a quick wash for the second time. And at this point, I'm going to transfer it into my saucepan. I decided to make a lot of this so I can use it for about 2 weeks. So you do not have to make as much as I'm making. And remember, there is no measurement to this. This is a natural ingredient that works perfectly for your hair. So all you need to do is to grab yourself some bay leaves depending on the quantity that you want to make. Just add some water to it and bring it to a boil. So I'm going to allow these bay leaves to boil for about 20 minutes or till I see the color change. Look at that beautiful color. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So once you have your color like this, it means your bay leaves is ready. It has all been extracted. So at this point, I'm just going to leave it and allow it to cool down. And y'all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster. I used to have relaxed or permed hair and chemicals damaged my hair, so I had to do the big chop. And thanks to natural ingredients, now my hair is much thicker and fuller and it's all flourishing. So make sure you try some of these recipes. Alright, so at this point, I just strained my bay leaf water and I'm going to add some lavender oil. You do not have to add this. Remember, I told you it's only one ingredient. So the most important of this recipe is the bay leaves. But you can always add your essential oils to add some fragrance to your bay leaves water. And remember, aside the fragrance of these essential oils, they also have their own benefits for natural hair growth. Lavender oil will treat your scalp and give way to new healthy hair growth. And that is why I love using lavender oil in my recipes. But then again, you do not have to add it if you do not have it. you can just prepare your bay leaf water and use it on your hair. So at this point, I made a lot of this water because I'm going to use it for about 2 weeks. I like to do this with my natural ingredients every now and then. I always choose one natural ingredient. Sometimes I use cloves, sometimes rosemary, but today is the bay leaf. I use it for a course of about 2 weeks or sometimes a month just to kind of challenge myself and see how it helps me grow my hair. So today I'm doing that with my bay leaf water. So I just put some in my spray bottle just to make it ready for it to be used, and I'm going to transfer the rest of it into a big bottle. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the one in the big bottle as well as how I'm going to use those in the spray bottle. There are so many ways that you can use this recipe for your hair growth. So make sure you are watching this video to the end and you're not skipping any part of it because I'm going to tell you all about it and how to store it. Once you have your bay leaf water like so, do not leave it on the counter, do not leave it outside. It might go bad. So you want to keep it in the refrigerator, and that is exactly how I'm going to store it. So make sure you keep it in the refrigerator. All right. So whenever I bring it out from the refrigerator and I'm ready to use it, I use it as a hair rinse and I transfer some into my mason jar like so. Once I have it in my mason jar, I first shampoo wash my hair, I condition my hair and rinse out the conditioner. Then I go in with my bay leaf water as my hair rinse. When you use it as a hair rinse, you can either leave it in your hair for 40 minutes, cover your hair with a rubber cap, and rinse it out, or you do not have to rinse it out. You can leave it in your hair, go ahead and moisturize your hair, and put it in a protective style as usual. So I kept it the rest in my refrigerator, and I'm going to use it later for the rest of the week. I'm going to show you how to apply this. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, I hope you're really enjoying it because I really enjoyed filming it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll be notified. Alright, so if you have your hair dry, you just go in with your bay leaf water just as you use any regular water. After that, you go in with your leave-in conditioner and you go in with your hair butter or your hair moisturizer. Do not forget to massage it in, and after that, put it in a twist. Another way you can use this is to just spray it in your hair. Once you have your hair braided or you have your hair in a protective hairstyle, you just have access to your scalp, massage it in. Bay leaf is a natural conditioner, so it helps condition your hair. It can also be used to fight bacterial and fungal infections. It can treat dandruff and also dry itchy scalp. When you add bay leaf water to your hair care regimen, it will help stop hair loss and also treat your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. It will help thicken your hair and make your hair much more beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I know you have given us a thumbs up and also you have subscribed. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch more ways to grow your hair. Bye.